Alright, so hey guys, Freezing here. We have a 2013 GMC Acadia. The problem is low oil pressure. Okay, the guy thinks it's the actual engine, but I'm having second thought, because when you turn it on, it sounds beautiful. Nice and smooth. Alright? But no noise. After a few minutes, you start hearing the noise. So let's dig into it and see what it is. So you slowly start to hear something. I see there is no oil. But there is oil. Okay. Clean. There's no blowback. It sounds like the infamous timing chain rattle. Okay. All right, guys. So we're gonna replace the timing chain that's over here. Okay. We have to, of course, take a lot of things apart. We have to remove the inlet, the upper intake, and valve covers, both sides. Remove all of this. Also remove the electrical box. I'm gonna do the time lapse. Of course, there's a lot of 8s, 10s, 13s, and yeah. So I'm gonna show you how to take all this thing apart, and we'll go from there.